pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, STN. I'm Jafrico Torres, and today is March 2nd. Tampa is undergoing rapid transformations as new housing developments reshape the city's landscape.
Higher rent has affected my way of life just because normally extra money that you would have to spend on yourself or maybe with friends, even go out to eat instead of cooking all the time. Higher rent causes you to have to save more money, kind of stress more, especially if you have school and stuff.
People who didn't own their homes now find themselves having to pay rents that are really out of sight for really subpar housing. And so the idea or the term of gentrification comes in. And depending on who you talk to, that's a terrible word or a great word. And the real issue is how the market works. If there's money to pay, then the people who don't have the money to pay end up getting pushed out.
The U.S. needs about 1.5 million new homes each year, but that's still not enough. And home prices have gone up over 40% in the last 5 years. Cities growing fast and lands expanding over 60% since 1980. The big question is, how do we build for the future without harming our communities?
With two perspectives and strong opinions on both ends, it's important to be open-minded and knowledgeable. For Python TV, I'm Jafrico Torres, reporting.